Basic questions asked in any software testing interview. What is testing? Testing is finding out how well something works. But the proper definition is testing is the process of executing a set of instructions or steps to know how well a software application or any product adheres to the product specifications. Testing is the process of finding defects in a software application, reporting it and making sure the defects or bugs are fixed by the development. Once the development does the fixes for the reported defects, testing team is again responsible to verify the fixes and making sure the new fix has not broken any previously working functionality of the product. What is a defect or a bug or a product issue? Any deviation from the specifications mentioned in the product functional specification document is a defect. A defect or a bug is a mistake in the software application considering the details mentioned in the detailed specification document. So, if some feature or functionality of a software application is varying from what it is supposed to be with regard to its expectations mentioned in the specification documents, it is considered a bug or a defect. Some companies use the term CR, change request, for a bug. What will you do when you find a defect in the product that you are testing? Different companies follow different processes or methods. In this case, but generally when we find a bug or defect, we report it following the bug logging process or defect reporting. But it is also the job of a testing engineer to make sure it is a real product bug and note any setup or test case issue before filing a defect report. How do you log a bug and what software you use for this process? We use Bugzilla, which is an open source software for logging a bug. While logging a bug, we need to give detailed information about the whole steps I have done when I encountered this bug or defect. When we hit a defect, I mean while executing some test cases, if we encounter a bug, we need to inform the developers and also concerned like program manager, development lead, test lead, etc. Bug reporting is a process of such communication. The main aim of a bug report is to let the developers know the details of the failure and to help them to find a resolution for the issue. So it is very important to give detailed information so that whoever is reading the bug report or trying to reproduce the bug can do so easily. The bug report is a document that explains the gap between the expected result and the actual result and detailing on how to reproduce the scenario. Describe in detail what you should do after finding the bug. Write the bug report just when you are sure that you have found a bug, not after the end of test or at the end of the day. It might be possible that you might miss out on many crucial points if you are delaying the write-up for bug filing. Worse, you might miss the bug itself. Put necessary time to diagnose the defect you are reporting. Think of the possible causes. You might land up uncovering more defects if there are any. Mention your discoveries in your bug report. The programmers will only be happy seeing that you have made their job easier. Take some time off before reading your bug report. You might feel like rewriting it. What are the factors you consider while writing defect summary or bug synopsis? The summary of the bug report is the reader's first glance with your bug report. The fate of your bug heavily depends on how well you compress and describe the summary of your bug report. The rule is that every bug should have a one-line summary. Some reporting softwares call it as bug synopsis. A good summary will not be more than 50 to 60 characters.